Welcome to Proven and Probable. I'm your host, Maurice Jackson. Today's show is dedicated to investors that are seeking to identify a company with remarkable balance sheet, has zero debt, and has been repeatedly recognized by the world's most respected credit analyst as a company worthy of being a shareholder. Joining me today is a special guest, Dr. John Mark Staude, who is the president and CEO of Riverside Resources. John Mark, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for including me, yes.
John Mark, before we begin today's discussion, for first-time listeners, please share, what is a prospect generator?
A prospect generator is a mineral exploration company that goes out and finds good opportunities and then finds partners to help de-risk them. By having the partners de-risk them, in some cases major companies that are doing the drilling and all the heavy lifting, that helps to protect the share structure of the small company, such as Riverside, and it gives the big company the upside where they otherwise wouldn't have those opportunities. It's a really good business model that's been very successful, and Riverside's followed it very diligently for the last 10 years, and it's been a good success.
Well, thank you for sharing that. And ladies and gentlemen, Riverside Resources is a prospect generator, and I am a shareholder for the virtues just explained. And one very well-noted reason as well is Rick Rule, who is the world's best credit analyst. I have attended conferences this year in California and British Columbia this year with Mr. Rule. And during Q&A, Mr. Rule has personally identified first you, sir, in the audience, and then the merits of owning Riverside Resources. So what a compliment.
It is a great compliment, and we work hard to make sure we deliver.
Okay. Well, John Mark, Riverside Resources has had some exciting press releases come out recently. Please share with listeners about the addition of Ron Burk as the VP of Exploration.
And we are so lucky. Ron, who's been an exploration geologist with tremendous experience working in major companies such as Tech Resources, where I also worked, and then working with other companies that became significant major companies such as Silver Standard, and with Centerra Gold as the Vice President of Exploration. To have him join Riverside as the Vice President is a real gift, and he has such a great experience of Latin America. He has such passion for teaching, and he really has a passion for shareholders. We're delighted to have him, working closely with him, and we're really looking forward to the results that we have coming in the next few weeks and months.
You know, I know investors are glad to hear about Mr. Burke joining the company and the intellectual capital that he is bringing with him, so kudos to you. And speaking of Centerra Gold, let's discuss one of your projects, the Glor Project. Share with investors about the joint venture you have with Centerra Gold and the details of the arrangement.
Most definitely, and yes, we're so excited about it. First off, having a major company like Centerra Gold, who are active in production, producing quite a bit of gold, and they're also very aggressive in exploration, to choose Riverside to be the company they're funding through as the prospect generator. What we have going with them recently is high-grade surface gold samples that have now led them to forward a major program of exploration leading to drilling, and in the next 3 weeks we expect to have some results. In the next 3 months to expect to be lining up for drilling, and early in 2017 going forward with drill results. So delighted to have the Galore Project, which is a very good project. It's a target as an open pit gold, and have a major company like Centerra funding it is perfect for Riverside.
Well, you know, we're delighted to hear that, but you also have some additional news about another project. Talk to us about Antofagasta.
Oh, wow, we're so excited. You know, we've been lucky. We've been going for 5 years with Antofagasta fully funding the exploration. We've done drilling with them in the past, and yet again, the press release we just put out confirms that Antofagasta will be funding drilling on the Glor Project, 100% funded for a porphyry copper exploration. Antofagasta has the opportunity to spend up to $5 million total investment, earn 65%. Riverside doesn't have to put up any money. We're out in the field doing the work, and now Antofagasta has us laying forward with the geophysical program, and then in late October starting up with drilling. We're so excited to be drilling again for copper. We like gold, but having copper with a major company choosing, this could be a point for Riverside to make a real takeoff. We're very excited.
You know, all three of these press releases make for great catalysts here for the future here for Riverside Resources. John Mark, for listeners that want to get more information, give us the ticker symbol, and then also, what is the best way to contact you?
Definitely. The ticker symbol is www.rives.com. And the way to contact us is at 327-6671 at Riverside Resources office. Myself and Jonas Lang love to talk to shareholders, glad to talk to investors. Anyone that wants to learn about Riverside, please give us a call, send us an email at the website, and we'll look forward to following up.
Dr. John Mark Staude of Riverside Resources, thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. All the best to you, sir.
Thank you. Wonderful to be included.
Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. Remember to like and subscribe for more conversations with the most respected names in the natural resource space. Check out our website at www.provenandprobable.com. The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.